Hey guys, if your iPhone isn't playing message notification sounds, you're gonna want to stick around. I'm gonna break down some quick checks and a few advanced tricks to get it working again. First, let's go ahead with the basics. Check the silent mode switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see an orange line, that means silent mode's on. Flip that switch toward the display to turn on ring mode. For iPhones that don't have a physical switch, open the control center. If the bell icon's red, tap on it to turn off silent mode. Wow. Sometimes it's just that simple. Next, check your volume level. Use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone or open settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringer and Alerts, make sure the slider's set to an adequate level. You'd be surprised how many times it's just turned down a bit too low. Anyways, move ahead to focus modes. Swipe down from the top right corner or up from the bottom if you're using an older iPhone. See that focus icon? If Do Not Disturb or any focus mode's active, tap it to turn it off. That'll make sure you get every alert right here without delays. Okay, now let's check Bluetooth. Sometimes your message sounds play through Bluetooth devices like headphones or your car stereo. You can turn Bluetooth off from Control Center or Settings to make sure sound plays through the iPhone speaker. Now, let's call on the Messages app settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Notifications, and tap Messages. Make sure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Then tap Sounds and make sure you've picked a tone that's not set to none. If that's all good, make out a bit of time to check individual chats. In Messages, if you see a crossed-out bell next to a conversation, it's muted. Swipe left on that chat and tap the bell icon to unmute it. Also, check for custom tones. Open the Contacts app, tap the person's name, hit Edit, then Text Tone, and choose a sound other than none. That'll bring in that missing ping you've been looking for. Alright, now let's jump into some advanced troubleshooting steps. First, do a force restart. If you've got an iPhone 10 or newer, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you've got an older model like iPhone 8 or earlier, just follow Apple's support guide. This helps clear up temporary glitches that come after software updates. Next up, make sure your iPhone's software is up to date. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If there's a new iOS version available, go ahead and install it. It might just fix the bug automatically. You'd also want to look for attention-aware features if you're using an iPhone 10 or later. It can lower your alert volume when you're looking at the screen. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Face ID, and Attention, and turn off attention-aware features. If none of that worked, you gotta reset all settings. Don't worry, it won't erase your data, but it'll reset preferences and system settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then reset all settings. Once it reboots, set your sounds again and test it. If the sound still doesn't come through, you can link up with Apple support. They'll probably check your speaker or system files in detail. Okay, that's it for now. Make sure you check all these fixes step by step. I hope this helps you make up for those missed messages. If you have any other questions, drop them below. I'd love to help you out.